Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video about gold plus some new setups for tonight and tomorrow, right? So let's get started. Gold. I made a couple of charts over the weekend, right? Saturday, usually I do, right? Over the weekend, Saturday. And one of the, especially I'm talking about gold, right? So this was one of the chart, not this one. Let me see. I made the regular. This is one of the chart that I made, right? But these are Renko candles, and I'm covering gold on the regular candlestick formation. I'll get the account as well because there's a lot of people, asking me, so I says, okay, no problem. So I'll make it, that I've been making that, and I'm covering that on regular candles, and it's not much, difference. Like this one, you can see this one is a Renko version, and then the other chart that I had made was this, right? So almost similar, but I like even, Renko more than this one. That's more clarity to me. But then again, still this one, right? So you see that wave count 1, 2, 3, and I said, well, if this is wave 4, I was expecting this before last week, right? So I thought maybe it's gonna go up. So, but we started to go up, and then boom, one came down. So that's perfectly normal. So it's a ABC correction for wave 4, yeah. And after that, this could be like wave 1 and 2. So I said, all right, if this is 1 and 2, then we need wave 3, then followed by 4, 5, and blah blah blah. So my first target was like going to the upside for wave 3 if this is wave 1 and 2 of wave 5. So that would be 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then this blue 5 will finish there, right? So what happened to this chart? And this chart, by the way, I posted even on the first factory on my website, and in see this the Telegram. I posted right there. This is the chart, right? When the price was here, and this is I posted on June 1st. It was Sunday before the market opens up, right? So I posted there, and then I said that be ready, and then if anything happened and start to go to the upside, we're gonna find our entry, and then we're gonna get in there, right? So what really happened, and what is the current chart of this 4-hour chart? Let me show you. Is doing this. See how close is already there? Very, very close now. Where the heck my right there. So see this exactly the same chart, right? Like this one, right? So my target was this, and right now we are here. Very, very close, right? Now, so I think that it may go even a little bit more to the upside. So the danger is still there for the upside. So I'm not telling you right now that I'm just showing you that what happened so far. This is 127 is here. On the other version that I have more, let me see if I can show you this one, right? So the extension of this is 127 is right there. The number is right. This one is already touched, right? And this one, I close here. Little early, no problem. That was enough, right? So I had, well, let me show you my trade though. This was my entry, right? So we're going to the upside, came, see this little small arrow? This is what I'm talking about that, if some of you don't have it, then get it. Just get this EA, CTS6. If you know the direction based on the analysis, all you got to do is that put the damn thing on the chart, and then look at the other way, right? So if the setup happens, the trade will open automatically, and when I came back and I saw this, actually I went to sleep, and then I woke up. Umar told me that, well, your gold is doing good. So I says, okay, no problem. This is how it took the trade, and it went up, right? So this is how it is. So we were expecting that to happen, so it's no big deal. And so this was my chart that but we were here that we're gonna bounce, and that's what I'm talking about. This 23% line is a gold mine. I always tell you guys that this is a gold mine. Anything you find that is, after, well, this is a harmonic, harmonic pattern. If some of you have taken my courses, right? So you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this one, either 61% or 78, and then come back to 23 and bouncing. Beautiful trade you're gonna have. Big one, right? From 23 to all the way to 127. So that's how it is. And we are very close, right? So, but the turn is not started yet. So I'm gonna, keep an eye on it. And when I feel like it, then I'm gonna make a new chart, and I'll post it on Telegram, right? And also I'm gonna send out to the subscribers as well. So either this chart or maybe the 4-hour chart, So we are very close to this extension here. Like I said, that this is 127 is right there. And then if you pull the fibs, if it going for, we have three perfect count, which will be, oh yeah, okay, 1.618, then it's right there. So either 127, 1.618, or that level that in between, what was that? 3398. Actually, 3398 is exactly that 127 extension, right? At the 3398, and that is an SNR level as well. So you may decide to go a little bit more to the upside to touch this 161%. So be ready. The turn is about to happen. Maybe tonight it's going to happen, right? So we will deal with that. But remember, we're going to fall into wave 4, which will not be very easy like this one. Okay. Now, besides this gold, what do we have? We have a couple of other setups, nice setups coming in. Like, for example, pound yen. I'm thinking that if it's gonna bounce, it looks like it's gonna bounce, right? I already made the chart, and I posted on the Telegram. I think I posted it already, right? Didn't I post that? No, I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna post that on the Telegram, and then I'm gonna send out to you guys as well in the email, right? So this is one of the chart that pound yen that I'm expecting that it may bounce. If it is gonna bounce, it's bouncing from 78%, then usually it goes back to 38%. The other setup that I can see is pound Aussie doing almost similar, the same thing. See this, anytime the price away from these couple of EMS, right? Then it comes back to that, right? And then again bounce and then go away and then it goes a distance and make the extension usually. So this is the extension of this, this is the extension of this, this is the extension of this, right? So you see how nicely, it came and touched the EM and then what? Then here very close and then what, right? So now we are doing the same thing. Right. So we are here, 78% of this. I'm expecting that if we get a reversal candle, by the way, everything is if, right? After having a reversal candle, after. If you don't have a reversal candle and these stupid things keep dropping, I'm just gonna let it go. How far is it gonna drop in a straight line, right? Eventually it's gonna make the turn, and that turn I want. That's the turn that I need. And then I'll take the entry from 7-minute chart. That's the idea. So pound Aussie and pound yen both. Now yen and Aussie cannot go, most of the time they don't go side by side in the same direction. So I'm thinking that if they're both gonna go up, they're probably gonna be because of the pound strength. Right, pound is on the left hand side in both pairs, and the pound start to get strong. These two are gonna go to the upside. Now euro yen on the other hand is completely screwed up, so we're gonna just look at the other way. Forget about this pair for now. USD yen also is a big nice move which I missed. Not missed, but I had a nice trade, but it was open last Friday right here and like this. This is the entry on the 20-minute chart, and then like I had a 125 pip trade, nice and clean. Let me see if I can. What the heck? Um, right there. See, this was last Friday. Beautiful short entry. Then this was today's entry, and then drop. Right. So not actually last Friday. I mean, this is the second, June 2nd. I was wrong. So that was something else, I guess. So now, yeah, this is this. What do I say? June 2nd today. So you can see that, right? So that's today's entry, and then right from there all the way down, 125. So not a bad trade at all. What the heck? Right. So this is USD yen, nice drop, and then if this area hold, we can go back at least half of it, right? So maybe around this 44, 44 or 4507, right? This area we can go back. If you flip the oh man, what am I doing? Okay, yeah. Right, so if we go up from, so 61% is right there, and 78, 88, in somewhere there, maybe 45 or 6. So maybe it will drop a little bit more here, right? 42.10 and then bounce, and then, come to, go back to 61 to 78, somewhere there. And in between, we have this 45.07. So we may go back there, depending on what the yen is going to do. Right? USD on the other hand, let me show you. Now, hold on. Euro Aussie is also went up, and then now I'm expecting pound Aussie to go up, but this one is already up here and went up and then dropped. So I don't know if it's gonna go up or not. So I'm gonna leave this there unless I have this thing is gonna move and then give me a good setup. This was a good setup here when it was here, and like I said, that every time it comes and touches the EMS, these EMS, here, here, it goes away, right? So all you have to do is just watch it as for a reversal candle, and then you watch it for a 7-minute chart. Or if you have an EA, that is my robot, then you just place that robot on the chart, and when the setup is ready, it takes it automatically. It opens the trade, right? So this one and pound USD, it is confusing that what it wants to do, and it depends on the US dollar index. So let's go take a look at the US dollar index quickly, what it is doing and how we can expect, or what we can expect out of that. I mean, it is all the way down and then trying hard to go to the upside, but every time it goes, it gets slapped down again. So now we're coming back down again. As soon as the week started, boom, coming down. Now, look at the monthly chart and you know what I'm talking about, right? So this chart I made a long time ago that this will be the target, the rising TL at 61%, right? So nice and clean, slowly but surely we are coming down here. This is a monthly chart. So this big candle here with the wick, big wick, and then the bottom, the top, and then we ended up almost same place at the end of the month. Now this month started already and coming down. So I think that the power is to the downside, and we think I think that we're going to be dropping. So these numbers, you drop these numbers on your 40-minute or 20-minute chart and watch these numbers, then one by one taking them. 0621, like for example, the 40-minute chart, whoops, pretty messed up. Right. So 0641 is like 0621 is right there. That was it. 0641 or 0621? Confused. 21. So 0621, right? So that is right there. So again, just like year index, it is making a double bottom here, right? So is it going to break this and then drop? So what is the final number that it can go to, right? So let's see if around the TL, what number is coming is on the left, you can see is 0464, right? So we draw 0464 here, and then we see that where the heck that come, like this one here, right? So 0464 is right there. And this fib, I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to look for the extension level, where the heck we're going to end up. And this one is coming, the 127 is coming here, but this 141, the middle number of the extension between 127 and 161 is 141. And that's where this number is coming. 161, the next number to the downside after 0464, which I don't know, what is it? It's a line. Where's the number? All right. What is the number here? I think it is 0390. So where the heck is that? Let's go take a look. Try to find 0390. Okay, it's not here. Is it here somewhere? Nope. This is 02, the highest number here. So 05, 04, maybe what are these numbers? Small numbers here, right? 0464. Oh, can't find it, man. Whatever. So, just pay attention to this 0464 first, and then we see that if we can come here. Okay. No, that is not the SNR level. That number I draw from this. The 61% is 0390. So I draw that on the 40-minute chart. Can't draw the fib there, right? So I just draw that number. So 61% is coming to 161% is coming exactly to the 61% of this monthly fib from here to here, and then the rising TL. So let's see if it's going to keep dropping. And if it's going to keep dropping, then what will happen? USD going to get weaker. So pound USD, euro USD, they will still go to the upside, right? So is there any chance? Yeah, definitely. This, if it's going to the upside, now we know that already last week it poked into this 3502, big, huge number, right? And that was my target, but right, and that was a target for like last few years. So finally we hit that, but we poke into it, and then we completely disregarding it. By the way, right? So we went up, we came down, but then we went up again already, right? So this is already broken. Now we went up above this number, 3571, the next number, and then we dropped. And then now we are bouncing back up and above 3502 means we want to go even more higher. And we are at 78%. If we do not get a reversal candle here, and if USD start to get weaker, then what is going to do is that it will be going for an extension level, right? Instead of retracement. This is right now retracement. This move is a retracement of this, right? But what happened in the direction of the trend? Price always go and make higher high and extension, right? So this will become extension that will be going for 127 or 161 or this number here. 3680 is the bigger number than this one. Big, huge number. So it is, if USD start to get a drop, the drop will continue, then this will go definitely here. Right, so pay attention to that. And as it is, I'm expecting that pound Aussie is going to go up and pound yen is going to go up. So that means that pound also will get some kind of boost and get strong. And if USD get weaker, pound get strong, this will be not a problem. The target 36.80. Similarly, if you look at the US dollar, euro USD, we are already here, 78, very close to 78% of this drop, right? But this can also be like, you can see that this is all big move, right? And this is kind of like a correction, just like gold did, right? For wave 4, A, B, and then C, and then this could be like wave 1, 2, and then can it go for wave 3 to the upside? With the US dollar dropping like that? Yes, it is very much, it can go to the upside. Now, another sign that euro is strong is that euro yen, right? Euro, pound yen, look at it. Pound yen dropped big time, but look at the euro yen. What happened with that? Euro is not budging at all. Euro is strong, sitting there strongly, right? So that, if euro gets strong and then USD get weaker, this has a very good chance of going all the way to the extension levels, right? So, I mean, this is right there, 127, 1704. Is that the target? Very good. Right, so let's see, no problem. I didn't see that before, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. I like it. The expansion also, you see, it is coming very close to 127, and this 127 is right there, 141 is right there, and 161 is just above that, right there. Right? So that is the area. Easily, we can achieve this target here in Euro USD if we get USD weakness, continue weakness, right? So let's see what happens. I think that we have USD news tomorrow, and that will decide what's going to happen, right? So cover almost everything here. If USD continue getting weaker, then USD CAD need to drop more, right? So this is my chart before that, it was here when I said that we're going to drop here. So we did, but the extension is not finished just yet, right? So extension, if you look at this 127.0161, if USD continue getting weaker, then we can go to 127 or maybe end up here at 161 and this level 35.88. So with the continue weakness in USD, we have this target in USD CAD. Just remember that, right? And then similarly, USD yen may drop for extension because it's almost close to this making double bottom here, right? But it has no chance going to the upside if USD getting weaker, right? Just like today, what happened from here to here, then maybe from here to here for an extension, right? 127 or 161. Beautiful. What level is that? These are the numbers. 61 is right there. The upper line is 39.58. Right? So 39.58, 39.50, I mean 39.58, 39.38 in that area. Can it drop here? Yeah, very easily, right? Also, if you look at this, an extension, let's see what extension come there. This area here, right? Again, 161 is a little bit below, but this area becomes now in middle of 161 to 127 at 141. So, this is the area, 40, 25, 39, 58, 39, 38, somewhere there. It can drop easily, right? With the USD weakness coming in. So let's see what happens, right? Gold we already saw. Quickly, we will go and take a look at NASDAQ. And where the heck is NASDAQ? Oh, yeah. Uh, Out of charts on that thing. All right. So we all know that I made these charts when the price was here that this is going to be the target. It's going through a bad pattern, which we did. So we went up there all the way. We hit there. Now I'm expecting, to be honest with you, I'm expecting a drop. All right. But it is not giving that just yet. So if you look at this is a 4-hour chart, but if you look at this like a weekly chart, then you'll probably get a little bit better idea. That's a daily chart here, right? So this FIP all the way down here, even if you take this, from here, this doesn't matter. So, we poke into it. This is the candle that I think that it is a signal that we are going to stop there. All right. So this is a beautiful shooting star kind of candle on a daily chart a couple of days ago, and we went up there, but now we are, like these highs, we are staying below them. So I have a very strong feeling that we're gonna start dropping because we started the bad blood with China again, right? And where the thing is gonna go, I don't know, but they're not, looking pretty good, right? On the other hand, Trump had some problem with court, and but then again he went to another court for appeal, and then they gave the decision in his favor, and the tariffs are back on. But maybe this game now, the legal game. Let's see how it unfolds. But be careful. All I can say is be careful. I like the downside, but be careful about this tariff game. And that can change the whole, everything. It's like forget about harmonic pattern and wave. It destroys everything, right? One little news from the Trump or China, from about the tariff, and then everything. The whole market is upside down. But anyway, so this is how we are back all in the same area again, right? Almost, right? Or to the last, the highest highs. But I don't think that we're going to go above these highs, right? So these highs will hold, and we're gonna drop. We're gonna drop to maybe to some, at least here. You see this area? That's the area. Okay. So this is that's all I can show you. If you want to trade this Nasdaq, you can open a 40-minute chart. Beautiful chart, by the way. 40-minute chart gives you a lot of entries. Look at that. Going to the upside. Look at that. This is beautiful by the book entry. Book big beautiful entry. Entries are here. Entry is this. Entry is this. Right. I had the trade. I mean, by the way, let me see. Let me show you. It gave me the 40-minute, gave me a beautiful entry. We're right there. Going to the upside, it was a nice drop here, and then boom, 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 and then here, right there. I was expecting is that you might be going up a little bit, because it's made the higher high here, and then again, lower high, higher high. So I said, okay, maybe it's gonna go one more time to the upside. So I put this E there, and then look, as soon as it started to go up, bouncing from this area, E opened the trade right there. So that's what it is. I mean, if you know the direction, all you gotta do is put this EA on the chart, and it opens the trade automatically, right? And it's available. It's very cheap now. It's available in my monthly subscription, and it's like if you catch a trade, for example, USD yen, forget about everything else. This is a Euro USD 95 pip, right? Pound Aussie 80 pip, right? And so what is the average? The Euro 75 pip, right? 125 pip. So average trade, let's say 100 pip, right? So now 100 pip, even if you one trade in a whole month with one mini lot, not a bigger lot, not the standard lot or anything, not the multiple lots, one single mini lot, and you have $100 already. So it covers the cost, no problem. And this is for the whole month. So it's good to have this stupid thing, and that will make your life easy. And you can place this like three or four charts, right? And if you get lucky, sometimes I do, right? Sometimes you see that I have five or six yen trades at the same time in the same direction. That's what it is. If I see the yen index making a move, about to make a move, and I know that yen index, wherever it goes, all yen pair follows, right? So if I see that it's a bullish setup in yen index, I place this EA, make long only in all yen pairs. So at least I catch three or four trade and 100 pip each. You catch four trade in one night. That's 400 pip in a day right there. Easy, right? That's a current example. Today's example is right in front of you. This is not, but this is not because of the yen index, by the way. This is because of the USD. But I caught the USD pairs anyway, right? This is going down. This is USD is on the left hand side, right? And Euro USD and Pound USD to the upside. This is 70 pip. No, it's not 70. It was more. I recorded again. No, this one's 70 and Euro USD. Where the heck is Euro USD? So the three USD pairs, 75, and this is 125. So how much is that? 250? What the heck? No. Yeah. So 75, not 75, and this 125, right? So that's 200. Yeah. Okay, why am I getting confused? Okay, and then 70. So 270 pip just because of this USD weakness. I caught three of these trades, right? So that's how it is. So yeah, I'm gonna close this video now. And like I said, that you're interested in this, then go and then on my website here, creativetrading.system.com, and subscribe and get this year, learn this system here, and start trading, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And then I'm gonna send this video. I'm gonna post on the Telegram as well, and then I'm gonna post those charts that I showed you, pound Aussie, pound yen, and all of that. And if there is anything else, I'll post on the Telegram, so you can get it from there. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.